Pili-pili. Oh. Dari sa cross. Shopping gamay. While ang tulo tuwa sa Lakeshore pa daw sila, Lakeshore. Hindi ko pili-pili. Huwag na yung mapili. There is a rose. Lagyan sila mga baligya din. Okay, ito ang popsicle molds. Labon kiniguba ang akong molds. Ka-cute. Nice. Iban mga abubot ba? Nasyalilahin, nabuak man tong plastic na mold na mo eh. Kanina lang kay silicone siya ba? Fibrous siya. At least kini di mabuak o mahagbong kuha sa mga bata sa popsicle. Yan. Ulan! Ulan! Laagi hapon! Lakeshore, lahang dulaan. He's excited na to eh. So kana siya nga builder. The same na napalit mi dati kini. The same siya. But they want to make a big fort. You okay? That hurt? So muna siya. Ipalit na mo last time, tapos kulang man o gamay raman siya. So they want to make a big one. Uh-oh! Amo niya mong gipamali. Oh. Nag-shopping ang mga... Hala! Hala yung Pokemon. Pinamalit lang ito mga kinahanglanon sa balay o mga chichabolers. Ano ako'y summer dress.
Build.
Let's see how many
Sinina. Ang sandal sa bata kasi Matias na dako ng tiil. Yang shorts. Sumuna siya. Dumaga nila ang parts ni Amahan. Ay, gusto lagi mag-build o dako kagyod mo na siya. The ultimate fort builder. So yan. Ultimate fort builder gyud. So usahay maggamit ng bangko. So kini mura man nilag ka ng permanente na kuan kay usahay mangaon gamiton ng bangko at least kini. So dungagan ni nila so muna ang lahang dati the same. Tapos dungagan nila ani daghan gyud. Daghan na sila dako-dako na gyud ilang masumpay raman siya. Sumpay ra. Yan. Excited kasi lang Pokemon ay. Is that hard? Who's that Pokemon?
Wiggy!
Luigi?
Yeah, that's pretty.
Is there Squirtle in it?
Yeah, I put Squirtle.
Yeah. Pokemon niya.
Oh, we need help.
Help! Help! Let me see. Wala, he's stuck!
Thank you, Dad.
Yep, we thank you, Daddy, for the shopping today. Shopping. Spike. Ezekiel is pretty busy. Huh? Pretty busy na sa iyo. That's really cool, though. Sila ka, makimo na sila daga ng ilahang tulganan. Kaya na sila tayo matulog sa iyong kuya. Hindi pa siya door. Mo na nilang door. Pretty good, guys. I love it. You don't want to do the work? I don't know what things do. He's working too. He's collecting all this. Make it Spike.
But that's Spike is not for the house.
Not for the house?
We're not gonna use Spike, dang it.
Yeah, no. Yeah. No, I think he's collecting it to make it all in one. See? He's collecting it. So, he won't back and forth going bit there and back. Yes? That's what you do?
I'm going back and forth.
I know.
Ouch.
Nice lang. Nindot na nga ilang building. Oh. Siya. You have a boys. Lahat na siya building. Ilang kalingawan. Oh, make it more circle there, Ezekiel. Look. Because I think Tias need that. Okay, here. Muna ang pampa. Connect. Ah! Roofing na si Matias. Nag-roofing na. Go help your brother. Or... Go. And Ezekiel's continue the wall.
Oh.
Let's focus Matias. That's what I do. Good teamwork, boys. Yeah. You got your house, Dad. This is there gonna be the sleep, Dad.
Hold on, you need a door.
Yeah. The door. Good job, si cute.
Look at this. Tell me what
Just like that. Yeah, the roof lab, it needs just to be. So, the sheet, it's up. See? It's not enough lab. I think that's okay, as long as the sheet is up. Oh, grab a ball na. Oh, you can have enough, for sure.
Well, you don't have to do it everywhere, but somewhere.
Yeah, like it makes the sheet stable. Yeah, stable, that's correct. One is si Daddy. Daddy na nagkuhan. Para stable ang ilang fort. Wow, that's a pretty nice, decent fort, guys. Good job.
You're running out of...
I think that's okay, Matias. You don't need to be like square by square in there. As long as it formed like a cube. But it's stable now, right? It's not very wiggly. Yes? Ilang fort. Daddy dito, Daddy dito.
Look, no more shake up there.
Wow, pretty nice. Kahit na si Daddy para kuan. Para ma-stable. Hindi ko lang. Ready na sila magkuhan sa iyong house. I know. That's why I told like it's nice in here. And when there's other friends come here, they will go inside the little fort. Yeah. Oh, that's more taller. That's a good one, lab. Whoa. That's a good one. Just look, you can stand up, Matias. Look. Matias, you can stand up. You don't need to go like this. Look, you can stand up. Right? Oh, that's a good one, lab. Good job, Dad. That's a really good idea.
Look at that door.
Two more? You need two more to do it. But,
Two more? Yeah, I think it will make more stable if you go like this now. Oh, right there. Come, right there. Are you sure there's only one more left? One more. One more left? I think that needs two.
that's fine. It takes a long one to take one.
Yep. Yeah, because you just put them on the sheet.
Yeah.
Is the sheet ready? Sheet is ready. Tapos Matias eh. Corners. Mas Matias, ready na. Mura manig. Kuha na. Ay! Matias, become too wormy. Why? Okay, you just do like that. Because it's a pretend house.
Or we want to do a bigger one.
Okay, you make it right here.
We need two more though.
Yeah. No, it doesn't matter, love. That's okay, love. Because it's only a pretend tent. Yeah, you just get that, right? Love, you just get this.
We need two more balls.
Oh.
This will be here.
Yeah, as long as I'm thinking, love, this one already makes it stable now. Right? Like, hold it together. Lockable na lockable. I forget to find all those, like, thin rubber bands na. Yeah. Hi! Si Kiel! Hi, Matias! Oh, cheese mo din, cheese! Cheese ah! So, manang lang fort. Manang lang fort, oh. Subo lang kayo ang ilang fort. Pero utol. Tulang lang fort. Sila door. Door. Sige, look. Tiza. Ang tower. Lang fort. Sometimes we use chairs and blankets, but we always use the chair for eating. So at least this one, it's like always stay because that's their fort. Enjoy. Happy na silang fort. Oy, happy. Happy batuta. Play na sila. Haluna na sila. Ano sila og new Mario movie. Download nila dito. Kasi daw nice ba yung Mario movie love? No. Subukan nyo kayo sa kuya ba? Subukan na ilang bibili na, ilang fort, ilang pilo, blanket. Sila. Sakto lang. Naglarak. Amo lang ko. Diri para kita sila. Wala na ilang bete ang gabi.
Once upon a time, there was a brave and noble princess named Peach. She was the great protector of the Mushroom Kingdom. Her story begins many years ago.
How did you steal your Dr. Strawberry?
Did that one last night, and the night before, and the night before.
Brother.
Okay,
What the brother?
Mario and Luigi.
It's a Donkey Kong part. Donkey Kong.
Dad! That, right?
Pinurduro. Hala. What you think happened? Yes.
Guys, you said it Bowser. No, not. Go inside.
Yes, Bowser? Oh.
See, I does it more.
Yeah?
How about green? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.